Jobsite in White Rock, just about to finish it up. It was covered in dog poop right before we started it, but now that everything's ripped out, the turf is in, it's looking really good. Let's go take a look at it. Just going to do a quick drive-by of a job we just completed on West Pender and Butte. Job was completed last week. I didn't quite have a chance to do a final walk around of it yet since the guys wrapped it up. And I just want to do a quick drive-by and see what it looks like. Let's go check it out.